How to become an Uber Eats driver. Hi everyone, this is Kay here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video, we will learn how we can become an Uber Eats driver if you want to earn money delivering food. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. But before we start, make sure that you meet the Uber Eats driver requirements such as minimum age, which is usually 18 or 21. You must have valid driver's license and you must have eligible vehicle or bike and also a smartphone with internet. So if you meet all of those requirements, then you could sign up for the Uber Eats driver. For that, you have to go to the Uber Eats driver sign up page. So open up a browser and in the search bar, search for ubereats.com/deliver or simply open up Uber Eats or Uber driver application and tap on sign on. But if you want to go to the web browser, go to ubereats.com/deliver. After that, head over to get started. Click on agree. Now you have to provide your social security number for the background check. Also, you may be required to upload your driver's license, your vehicle registration, proof of your insurance, and any other required document. So, if asked, provide all of the necessary required document. And Uber will run a background check to make sure that you're eligible to drive safely. So once you're approved with all of the background check and your documents, and once you're approved, you could download the Uber driver application and log in. After that, start accepting delivery requests to earn money. And that's it. That's how you can become an Uber Eats driver. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.